Hi, good morning. How are you? This time we will discuss about a small, little about a important part of our brain stem, that is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata or oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Before that, our brain divided into forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Hindbrain. After that, cerebrum. Cerebrum. The we call that is a brain stem. This brain stem has three parts. That is the midbrain. This is the pons. Afterwards, this is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. These three consist the brain stem. This is the uh, midbrain. Next one, this is the pons. This is the medulla. This is the medulla. Name itself tells this is the narrower part and lower part of brain. Lower part of brain. From here, the spinal cord will start. This spot will be present between the spinal cord and cerebrum. Cerebrum. So this medulla and lower part. Medulla means lower part. Lower part. Oblongata means elongated, elongated. Through the foramen magnum. Through the foramen magnum, this medulla oblongata comes out. It ends with ends and start with the spinal cord. Okay, this is about the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata has so many parts. That is the pyramids and olives, pyramids and olives and fissures, and also those are the nucleus center, nucleus center for nucleus center for last four cranial nerves, four cranial nerves, last four cranial nerves of the nucleus are associated with the medulla oblongata. This has the pyramids, little bit elongated, and elevations are called pyramids. Beside that, laterally there will be olives are present. Olives are present between these sulcuses. Fissures or sulcus sulcuses are present. Next one is all these the bundles of nerve fibers. Those are called um, bundles of nerve fibers. They cross each other at the lower part of medulla oblongata. Those are called peduncles. Those peduncles, they cross over opposite side. This part is called uh, decussation. Medulla decussation. Decussation. So this is central sulcus are present between sulcus center. These are the pyramids. Laterally there is olives are present. So the upper portion of medulla. What are the functions of medulla oblongata? Uh, medulla oblongata concern to autonomic, regulates autonomic functions, and also center for cardiac center for cardiac and respiratory and vasomotor centers are present in the medulla oblongata. Cardiac means it increases heartbeat or decreases by the situations. Respiratory means is also increase the breathing rate by the respiratory organs. Vasomotor means constriction, constrict or elaborate of the lumen of blood vessels. So these are all under comes the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system means they not regulated or controlled by the cerebrum. Cerebrum immediate reactions are comes under the autonomic functions. Those are the cardiac center and respiratory center. Vasomotor consist means heartbeat and breathing rate and blood flow. All these centers are present in the medulla oblongata, and such as reflex centers. Reflex centers for vomiting, vomiting, sneezing, sneezing. Reflex center for vomiting, sneezing, and cough, cold. So like this, reflex act as a reflex center for the vomiting and sneezing and cold also. Next one, this is a relay center. Relay center of those nerve fibers and ascending tract and descending tracts runs through the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, this is a funnel like structure. Funnel like structure. When you come to the briefly, brainstem is a funnel like structure, cone like structure. This is very important one under the autonomic nervous system. It has a center for cardiac and respiratory and vasomotor, regulates all these functions. Next, it acts as a reflex center for the sneezing and vomiting. Next one is a relay center of means all those nerve bundles, descending bundles and ascending bundles moves along with the medulla oblongata. Though pyramids and olives and decussescence, all next nuclei of last four nerves are present in the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. This is briefly about that medulla oblongata. Okay, thank you.